Hi, I'm Dan. Welcome to Awesome English. Our learning objective today is to learn about conjunctions. Let's get started. Alright, let's check in on our awesome checklist for today's lesson. It's our amazing roadmap to success. These are the objectives we want to achieve by the end of the lesson. So the first one is to know the purpose of a conjunction. Then to be able to know the amazing fanboys and how we can use that to help us remember conjunctions. And finally, to be able to practice using conjunctions in our writing. Let's get started. So why do we use conjunctions? What are they? What's its purpose? So a conjunction glues two clauses together. Now, you could use them in compound sentences, and you may have checked out our other video on compound sentences where we've talked about conjunctions, specifically the awesome fanboys. Now, fanboy stands for and, nor, but, or yet. Now, these are conjunctions you can use. Let's learn more. Alright, so let's do one together. We're going to use a conjunction to glue two clauses or ideas. Now, the two clauses we have, for example, are Jim finished the dishes. And then another idea was Jim made dinner. Now, see if you can think. Which type of conjunction could we use to glue these two ideas or clauses together? Talk to the person next to you or brainstorm yourself. Let's check some answers. So we had those two clauses or ideas. Jim finished the dishes. Jim made dinner. Now, hopefully you came up with the conjunction and to join or glue these two clauses together, ending up with the compound sentence, Jim finished the dishes and he made dinner. Now, you might have noticed we changed Jim, the proper noun, into the pronoun he. Alright, let's do some more practice. Okay, so now it's time for a think, pair, share. Look at all these different clauses and example ideas that you could potentially join together with a conjunction. Use fanboys to help you, work with the person next to you, or brainstorm yourself. How many of these clauses can you link or glue together? Go. Alright, let's check out some answers. Now hopefully you're able to join some of these clauses using fanboys correctly. Remember, practice makes progress. Let's keep going. Okay, now it's time for some independent learning. You should now know what a conjunction is. You should know that it joins two ideas or clauses together so that it makes sense. So over to you. Go and consolidate your learning by writing a couple of different ideas and then join it with a conjunction. You can use fanboys to help you. Now remember, if you haven't checked out our videos on simple, compound and complex sentences, I suggest you do that now. I'll see you next time, and remember to stay awesome.